Hello people of YouTube, this is Ganesh, and first of all I wanted to start off by saying thank you so much for the immense support that you guys have shown me for the past few days. It is just overwhelming. So I thought this time I will share a rather small clip of my return journey from Kanatal back to New Delhi. So this is Ghaziabad-Noida Express Highway. The roads are wide and just straight stretch, which is beautiful. An interceptor, man, no questions or words about it. Sure, the bike has a little ups and downs, but just a beautiful machine. And my friend Abhinav, who is on Honda Highness CB350, and that bike can perform, man. If you haven't checked out his videos, I'll put a link in the description. But look at this. I am at 110 kilometers per hour and the Honda is way ahead of me, so it's at about 125 kilometers per hour. It's doing a speed of 125, which is not bad at all. Sure, I have also ridden the motorcycle and it starts to give the vibrations when you cross 90, but still doing 125 is pretty awesome. Sure, this, interceptor can reach a speed of about 170, but yeah, I don't like to ride fast. I'm the kind of guy who believes in the principle that if you have it, just flaunt it a little bit, No point in being a blur, right? If you've bought something good, people should see it and admire it rather. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Ganesh signing off.